Let's make pizza dough. My children asked for pizza, so I'm gonna make it in the evening. First, I will make the pizza dough and allow it to rise. So let me show you how I make my pizza dough. This is 6 cups of all-purpose flour. Now I'm going to add my yeast, instant yeast, 2 sachets, like so. Add sugar, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 tablespoons of sugar. Salt, about a teaspoon of salt. Now add about 1.5 tablespoon. 1.5 tablespoon of olive oil. This is 2 cups of lukewarm water. I'm gonna add it gradually. I'm not gonna add all of them at once. Now mix. I'm gonna add the remaining. So basically 2 cups of water is enough for 6 cups of all-purpose flour. So this is accurate measurement as you see me do it here. Once it forms a dough like this, we'll start kneading. Now begin to knead. This is the hard part of it. Now this is the hard part. You have to knead and knead for at least 10 to 15 minutes. Okay, so keep kneading to get a perfect pizza dough. Otherwise, it's not going to turn out well. You guys, the pizza dough is ready. You press it. If it bounces back, you know it's ready. It's ready. Now I'm gonna this is whole exercise. I'm gonna grease my pots like so. Just transfer the dough in there like this. Cover with anything. Cover with towel, neat towel or parchment paper like this, and place it in a warm place, and that's it. So I'm done. I'm going to allow it to rise. In the evening, I will make the pizza for them